The one story that I do remember my mother saying is that she spoke Yiddish in the house growing up, and she remembers running outside when she heard children's voices to play with children, and she came back in the house and said to my grandmother and to my great-grandmother, the kids are stupid. They don't understand a word I'm saying, because the kids were not speaking Yiddish. They were only able to understand English, and my mother just took it for granted and went outside and was wanting to play and speak Yiddish.